Hey everyone, welcome to BucksBuzz, your go-to channel for money moves that actually work. I've got a life-changing perspective for you. Today, we're talking about how just $7 a day can make you a millionaire by retirement, and you don't need to be rich to do it. Let's break this down with real numbers using a Roth IRA. If you start investing $7 a day at age 21, that's about $210 a month or $2,520 a year into a Roth IRA with an average 7% annual return. By the time you turn 60, you could have around 1 million. Yes, you heard that right. No lottery ticket. Yes, no overnight crypto gamble. Just time plus consistency plus compound interest. Now compare that to someone who waits until age 45 and starts investing $10,000 per year. Even with a higher amount, they'll only hit around $370K by 60. Time in the market beats timing the market. Always. The Roth IRA is a suit. You invest post-tax dollars, which means when you withdraw your money at retirement, it's 100% tax-free. That's right. $1 million tax-free retirement is possible just by being consistent early on. And even if you're in your 30s or 40s, it's never too late. Start today, even if it's small. If this opened your eyes or gave you a plan, do me a favor. Like this video, drop a comment with your biggest money goal, share it with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe to BucksBuzz for more no-fluff personal finance guidance. You don't need a finance degree. You need discipline, belief, and the right channel to guide you. I'll see you in the next video.